Imagine walking into a supermarket and seeing rows of perfectly shaped cakes. Same size, same color, same decoration. But have you ever stopped to think, who actually makes all these cakes? Is it hundreds of bakers working day and night, or is there something far more powerful working behind the scenes? The truth is, what looks like a simple dessert is actually the result of one of the most advanced food production systems on the planet, where machines measure, mix, bake, decorate, and pack cakes with unbelievable precision. Today, we're taking you inside a fully automatic cake factory to uncover how millions of cakes are produced every month faster than you can finish a single slice. Welcome back to the Factory Dynamics, the channel where we reveal how everyday products are made inside massive factories, step by step. Step 1. Factory hygiene and safety setup. Before any ingredients are mixed or baked, the entire factory is prepared under strict hygiene standards. Large cake factories follow food safety rules that are as serious as those used in medical and pharmaceutical facilities. Cleanliness is the first priority. Every worker entering the production area must complete a full hygiene routine. This starts with thorough hand and arm washing using antibacterial solutions. Hair nets are worn to make sure no hair is exposed, and face masks along with disposable gloves are required at all times. Workers also change into clean uniforms, which are replaced several times during the day to maintain freshness and safety. Hygiene doesn't stop with the workers. The factory floor itself is cleaned using automated systems that spray food-safe disinfectants across all surfaces. Powerful air filtration units continuously remove dust, bacteria, and airborne particles from the environment. At the same time, temperature and humidity levels are carefully controlled to prevent contamination and protect ingredient quality. All of this ensures that every cake is produced in a clean, safe, and perfectly controlled environment. Step 2. Ingredient storage and measurement. Now comes the heart of cake making, the ingredients. In a large cake factory, ingredients arrive in massive quantities every day. Tons of flour, thousands of kilograms of sugar milk, butter, oil, cocoa, and flavorings, millions of eggs. These ingredients are stored in giant silos and refrigerated rooms to keep them fresh. Instead of human measurement, computer-controlled weighing systems handle everything. Each ingredient is measured with extreme accuracy, ensuring every batch tastes exactly the same. Even a small difference in measurement can change texture, softness, or flavor, which is why machines are trusted more than humans here. Step 3. Automatic egg processing. Handling millions of eggs every day is not something humans can realistically do by hand. That's why large cake factories use fully automated egg processing machines to handle this task with speed and accuracy. Eggs are first lifted gently using vacuum suction systems that prevent cracking or damage. These eggs are then placed onto fast-moving conveyor belts, where precision blades crack them open in a controlled motion. As soon as the shell breaks, advanced separation systems instantly divide the egg whites and yolks. At the same time, built-in sensors scan each egg for quality issues such as blood spots or irregular color. Any egg that does not meet safety standards is automatically rejected and removed from the line. Only clean, verified liquid eggs are allowed to move forward to the mixing stage. This automated process not only ensures food safety and consistency, but also saves thousands of labor hours every single day, making large-scale cake production possible. Step 4. Industrial mixing process. Once all ingredients are measured, they move into massive industrial mixers. These mixers are bigger than small cars and can prepare batter for hundreds of cakes at once. The mixing system uses a special rotating motion that, blends ingredients evenly, adds air into the batter, maintains the correct temperature. Cooling jackets around the mixer prevent overheating because temperature control is critical for soft, fluffy cakes. After mixing, the batter has the perfect consistency, smooth, airy, and ready for baking. Step 5. Automatic baking tunnel ovens. Now the batter moves onto baking trays and enters giant tunnel ovens. These ovens stretch across the factory floor and work non-stop. Instead of baking randomly, the oven is divided into zones. Gentle heat at the beginning, high heat in the middle, balanced heat at the end. This allows cakes to rise slowly, bake evenly, and develop the perfect texture. Conveyor belts move the trays at a fixed speed, ensuring each cake spends the exact amount of time inside the oven. Thermal sensors continuously monitor temperatures, making instant adjustments if needed. Step 6. Controlled cooling system. After leaving the oven, cakes are still extremely hot and very fragile. At this stage, proper cooling is just as important as baking. If cakes are cooled too quickly, sudden temperature changes can cause cracks on the surface. On the other hand, cooling them too slowly can dry them out and ruin their soft texture. To avoid these problems, cakes move into a specially designed cooling tunnel. Inside this tunnel, air temperature is carefully controlled to remove heat at a steady pace. Humidity levels are also balanced to prevent moisture loss and keep the cakes soft. Powerful fans circulate air evenly around each cake, ensuring consistent cooling from all sides. Over the next 15 to 20 minutes, the cakes gradually cool down and become firm enough to handle. This controlled process stabilizes the cake structure, making them ready for precise cutting, layering, and decoration in the next stage. Step 7. Precision cake cutting. After cooling, cakes move to automated slicing machines. Laser scanners measure the height of each cake. Then ultra-thin wire blades slice them into perfectly equal layers. Whether the cake needs 2, 3, or 4 layers, the machine adjusts automatically. This precision ensures balanced cake structure, even frosting distribution, professional appearance. Human cutting could never achieve this level of consistency. Step 8. Frosting and cream production. While cakes are baking and cooling, another section of the factory prepares frosting. Industrial mixers blend butter, sugar, cream flavorings. Everything is mixed at controlled speeds to avoid air bubbles. Different frostings are made for different cake types: chocolate, vanilla, fruit, or cream-based. Once ready, frosting is pumped through food-grade pipelines directly to decorating machines. Quick pause. If you're still watching and enjoying this deep factory breakdown, make sure you subscribe to the Factory Dynamics. We bring you real factory processes, simple explanations, and behind-the-scenes manufacturing stories every week. Step 9. Automated cake assembly. Now comes one of the most satisfying stages of the entire process: cake assembly. At this point, fully automated robotic arms take over with incredible precision. Each cake layer is carefully placed onto a rotating platform, where machines begin the layering process. Advanced nozzles spread frosting evenly across the surface, creating a smooth and consistent base. Once the frosting is applied, vacuum-based systems gently lift and position the next cake layer without damaging its delicate structure. This process is repeated again and again until the cake reaches the required number of layers. Throughout the assembly, built-in weight sensors measure the exact amount of frosting added to each layer. By controlling frosting quantity so precisely, the factory avoids waste and ensures uniform quality. As a result, every cake looks, weighs, and tastes exactly the same, something that would be nearly impossible to achieve through manual assembly. Step 10. Robotic decoration. Decorating is no longer done by hand in large factories. Advanced robots, pipe designs, create borders and patterns, add toppings, apply chocolate decorations. Computer vision systems guide every movement. For chocolate work, chocolate is melted and tempered at precise temperatures to ensure shine and stability. Some factories even use edible printers to add logos, images, or messages. Step 11. Quality control and inspection. Before packaging, each cake passes through multiple inspections. High-resolution cameras scan, shape decoration accuracy, frosting coverage. Weight checks ensure exact portions. Metal detectors guarantee safety. Any cake that doesn't meet standards is automatically removed. Step 12. Fast packaging and distribution. Once the cakes pass quality inspection, they move to the final stage, packaging and distribution. High-speed packaging machines take over, working with incredible accuracy and care. Each cake is gently lifted using vacuum-based systems designed to protect delicate frosting and decorations. The cakes are then placed into custom-made containers that hold them securely during transport. After placement, automated machines seal the packaging and apply labels that include product details, batch numbers, and expiration dates. This entire process happens at remarkable speed. In large factories, a single cake can be packaged every 6 to 8 seconds without slowing down the production line. Once packaged, the cakes are moved into temperature-controlled storage areas. Here, they remain fresh and stable until they are loaded onto delivery trucks and shipped to supermarkets and stores, ready to reach customers in perfect condition. The scale of production. A single automatic cake factory can use over 40 tons of ingredients daily, produce tens of thousands of cakes per shift, operate with minimal human labor. Automation ensures speed, hygiene, and consistency, something impossible with manual baking. From raw ingredients to beautifully decorated cakes, every step is powered by technology, precision, and engineering. The next time you enjoy a slice of cake, remember, it likely came from a factory where machines work together like a perfect orchestra. Thanks for watching The Factory Dynamics. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below what factory process you want to see next. Until then, keep exploring how things are made.